How we doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. It's a glorious day today. Just got to a regular customer's job and we're going to do some hedge trimming. This one is just a mix of everything. It's mainly bramble, to be honest, but we're just going to give it a nice nip over and make it look neat and tidy again. There he is. There's Gaza. Right, so yeah, let's show you what we got. There you go. So we've got a mix of snowberry, bramble. I think you've got some buddleia in there, and also got laurel. There's all types going in there. So we're just going to give it a good tidy up. No, that's all right. How you doing, Gaz?
All right, mate. Just another day, innit?
Another day, another dollar.
I don't know if you can even hear me from there.
Yeah, you should be able to. Okay, guys, so we're going to get cracking. So Gaz will do the lawns and just go around and do any weeding that needs doing. And I'm just going to sort of smash out this hedge. Hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you're into it. That'd be awesome. We just want a big massive thank you as well. We hit 5,000 subscribers, which is awesome. So we're on the road to 10k subs, and at 10k we are going to do something a little special, do a giveaway. So if you want to be involved in that, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. That'd be awesome. Okay, guys, let's crack on. This is what I've got to be careful of. This wiring. Pretty annoying because it runs, I know that this runs basically up to the fence and onto the light, but then there's also little spotlights all the way down as well. There's one there, you see, and it's not in the hedge line, it's just kind of running along. But the problem you get is this type of hedge, if a bramble catches it and pulls it up with it, it can take it out of place. So last time I cut it, I know it was flat, but it depends. If a branch catches it and it grows for a few months, it might lift it, so when I'm cutting through the stuff I might hit it. But I've been extra careful as I've been going along, just trying to make sure I can't hit any. But that's kind of the stuff you've got to deal with as well, really. It's not fun, but you know, hopefully we haven't gone through any. I don't think I have, but I mean, I've been made sure I've been looking what I've been cutting, but you can't see it, that's the problem. Anyway, yeah, it's one of these hedges. It's just kind of, it's not really got much of a, oh, hang on a sec, got a thorn in my finger. Nice. Yeah, it's just one of those hedges that's not very nice to, it's not a satisfying hedge to cut, I don't think, personally. But I mean, it looks neat and tidy when it's done. It's all sort of all over. There's thicker bits in places like this area here. This just grows out. So we just sort of cut round that, and then this is just a border between the properties. So there you go. Carry on. Let's crack on. What are you doing, Gaz?
I'm trying to agitate the ants, mate. Antfield. Ant farm.
God, there's so many ants.
So many, man. Hello down there.
Greetings. How are you all?
Heavy, my man.
Right, so not so satisfying hedge done. I mean, it looks neat and tidy, but it's not the most satisfying hedge to do. It comes up okay. It's not like a nice privet, but there you go, that's what we do. Just a nice little tidy up. Little bits of leaves flickering, but adds a little character. Bird. Anyway, right, onto the back. I'm just going to go and put in a couple of lavenders, and then we'll be off. We've had a tidy up down here. Once all these bulbs and stuff finish, we tend to get in here and trim back any bits we can. But right, let's go to the back. To your beds. Hello. Right, I'm going to put one here. Put a lavender in there. These bulbs are starting to finish off. I've got an English lavender there, but struggling to find space. If you watched the last video, we planted, well, a few videos ago in this particular garden, we planted this rose here, but we've got a bit of room here once these bulbs go, so we're just gonna, I'll just make some space and pop the lavender in there, I think, because as you look, it's just chocker down here. Got some of the good stuff, bit of compost. Problem is I can't go here because there's, well, I can actually. I know that in some areas they overdid it on the concrete that holds back the stones. Whoop. This is quite good soil here. It's nice and loamy, so the That's right, and this is a nice sunny spot as well. Little deeper as we're adding some compost there. That'll do. Once again, guys, it's in the pot, so you can see the roots have matted around. What we want to do is just loosen them up a little bit. Just give them a good loosen, just so when they go in there, a little bit able to take to the soil a little bit better. I'm just giving a nice rub around the edges. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly go onto the tap and give this a soak, because it's quite dry this week. So soak the nice soak there. So right, nice bit of compost in there. Get it all around the sides as well. Give it the love it needs. I might angle it a little bit. Ugh. And then get the rest of your compost and just sprinkle it about, like so. Just push that nice and tight down the sides, and then get your soil and just give it a fill in. And there you have it, planted. Bit of lavenders, and things are just finishing up now, so you know, coming around. It's just Pyrrhus Euronymous. You've got your Photinia, your red robin, your roses, your camellias at the top, which are finished now, and then one of my favourite plants, the sedum. I do love a sedum. I actually like them when they go black rather than pink. Towards the end of the year they sort of start to get a black top, which is quite cool. I like that. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, if you enjoyed this content, consider liking and subscribing. That'd be awesome, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.